Shoulder warm up. Arms out to the side. Palms down towards the floor, reach long, small circles. And reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep your torso real still. Palms forward, reach the arms long. Bring the hands together and out to the side. Think about your scapula, open and close. Reach the arms long. Open, close. 2 more. Close, open, close. Now, arms to the ears, above the head, and release. When you're doing these, think about lengthening your back. Open up the space in between your hips and your ribs. Keep it lifted as your arms lower. Inhale up, lift in out of your rib cage. Exhale, lower the arms, keep the rib cage lifted.